Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to equip skin in Archero 2. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and equip skin in Archero 2. So open Archero 2 and go to the of course characters tab. So here we have your characters, which you can of course go and see. We have the talent cards and everything where you can of course see your characters. So for now I have only this one, but you can of course go and get more, and then you will have more characters. Then select here whose skin you own. Then if you of course own one skin, I don't own any skins at the moment, so I can only tell you how to do it. Tap the blue t-shirt outfit icon on the character screen, select the skin you've unlocked, and choose the option to change character or morph the appearance to that skin. If, of course, in newer versions of Archero 2, the new skin's appearance and skill effects are separate, you can use the appearance you like while having an unlocked skin effect active separately. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.